Hey guys, it's Gabby, and today I'm going to be making a video that I haven't really ever made about, so let's get on to it. So the video that I'm going to be making is about fidget spinners. This is my fidget spinner. It is metallic blue with a black bearing, a green bearing, and a red bearing, and pink caps. Pink metallic caps. So this is my spinner. My brother has the same one. And today they came in the mail, which was 28 spinners. So this is mine. It's multicolor. And I'm about to show you the box that all of them came in. Okay, so here is the box. And here are all the spinners in here. So here we have some Batman fidget spinners. We have this green one, and we also have a black one. But these ones, this one's for my cousins. We gave them it, and so we have the green one too. We have this type of multicolor one, because this one's metallic, and we have the normal one. We have the completely metallic blue one with black bearings. And I don't know if we have, let's see if I can find it. Here it is. We have the pink metallic with black bearings. So those are basically all the spinners we have. And this one is mine, which you already know. And my cousins, they are buying a green Batman one, a black Batman one, and they are buying the one that me and my brother have, which is this one. So I was going to get the blue metallic one, but I really liked this one because it was multicolor. So I really like how it looks when it spins, you know. And that was a fail. But I can spin on my thumb, but like, I can spin it on my 2 fingers. So, yeah. This is my fidget spinner. Well, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Please give me a like and subscribe and comment. And, yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like it.